Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you're all having a great day today. I am back to share with you some completed projects. These were canvases that were sent to me by Spell Queen. I did go through and finish the two small paintings, the 30 by 40s that they sent in round and square, because I did want to show you guys the quality of the drills. Just want to start off the video by saying though, I am upset with this company as they have not removed the stolen images from their website. I believe multiple people have contacted them about it and they still have them up there. So I don't recommend that company very much now because of that. But I know there are some people that probably have already purchased from them, and that's fine. It's your own personal choice to purchase from them. But I still wanted to share the quality for those of you that have, so that you know, price wise, honestly, I think their quality is great. They just need to sort through the issues with the stolen images. So let me start off with the round. That's generally the first thing that people go to is round drills. I did mention in my video before, this is the 30 by 40. This price is around $26.99 for this, which some people do pay. I know some people are going to say that's expensive, but some people will pay that price, and when there's quality involved, you will pay the price, right? But the 30 by 40 is the outside, not the inside. The image itself is 24, I want to say 34, but I'm going to measure just to double check. Yeah, 24 by 34. So you lose 6 centimeters on each side because of the border. And the border is large because they do have large legends that are legible. Excuse me, sorry. So this worked up really fast. The drills are really great quality. Let me just grab, I have them here. I have tons of extras. And for these ones, I did keep the trash so that you guys can see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drills in here. This is my trash. Let me get a little tray. And the majority of it was because they were wrong colors mixed in with the other ones, or there were some just tiny pieces or cut off ones. So I hope you guys can see that. There's a couple little pieces. There's one chopped in half, and the other ones were just wrong colors mixed in. That's my trash for a 30 by 40. I have more trash in Diamond Art Club painting than I do for these ones. Okay. The image itself for this one, everything looks good, and from far away it does, but these little chairs, I don't know, maybe the coloring's not right, but I think it could have been better. And obviously if it was bigger, it would be better too. You definitely want to look at your size of your paintings when you're doing them. So as I'm showing you these, you'll probably notice, let me turn the light on and see if that helps a little. I'm trying not to use the light too much because of the, see, the thing is the light is right above my camera. Grr. It kind of looks like I have the same amount of drills as I started with. That's how much extra they send you for your drills. Like, this is absolutely crazy. I could literally do an entire second painting with all of these drills that I have. And I kitted it up straight from the bags, and all I did was add the symbol in the little round circle, so that I knew what symbol, instead of having to go back and forth and look at the legend. For me, I just find it easier doing it that way. But the baggies are so convenient, and now I can just go through and add them to my extra drills. I have the card sleeve storage in a binder, and I will just go in and add them in there, and then I will have them for any additional paintings if I need them. So again, tons of extras, every single color. I did not run out of any color at all. Trash was minimal. The stickiness of the canvas was super awesome. I have gone over this with my nail brush. No drills are popping off. Come up nice and close for you guys so you can see. And the sparkle is amazing. It's nice and sparkly. Very happy with it. And I don't know which I prefer, round or square, because I love both. And I think they both turned out really great. Here is the square one. It's the owl holding the teddy bear. And yes, it is a dark image. I knew it was dark when I got it. So it's got a lot of black. Well, it doesn't have a lot of black. It has no black in it. A lot of navy blues. But look at those. There's a tiny bit of gapping, which is normal there. As I turn it to the side, you can see with the light from the window. There's the gapping, but when you look at it straight on, you see no gapping. So that's how squares are to work. Everything is really great. I don't know, I love it. It's so sparkly. And again, trash, yes, there was a little bit more in the squares. But again, it's because of the colors that were mixed in. So I really only have, there's a couple of little pieces, and in one of the dark blues, there were some with tabs on it. So it would be like this one up here. There's a little tab, and some were little pieces, and the majority are colors that were mixed in with each other because they all look perfect. Yeah, so that's it. I could not have been happier. It went through really quickly. The symbols are really nice and easy to read. All numbers, all letters, DMC codes. Again, it worked up really nicely, and the sparkle on the squares is really great. I don't know which one. Honestly, I think the squares sparkle more, which is not normal. Circles tend to sparkle more because they're rounded and you have more edges where the light is hitting. And maybe because it's the light colors, it's harder to see. And because this is a dark color, sparkle really jumps out on the dark colors. But yeah. And then for the extra drills, same thing. I have a ton of extra drills. Maybe this will help if I do this. I don't know. They're dark colors, so it's gonna be hard for you to see also. And these ones, they had a smaller label, so I didn't have room to write the symbol, so I used an extra little sticker to put my symbol on. So again, same thing, I just worked them from the baggies and just looked at my symbol. I didn't have to go back and forth with the legend. I know kitting up is fun to put it in the containers, but this is also nice and fast and easy to work straight from the baggies. And these baggies were pretty good. I didn't have any issues opening and closing them. You know, some baggies are a pain in the butt. Yeah. This one I had lots of. Yeah. So again, tons of extra drills. Quality was great. My only issue is stolen artwork with them, but otherwise, $26.99, but you do have great quality drills, great quality canvas. They're all flattened out nicely. I only put them underneath my existing images or canvases. I don't like put them under a mattress or anything. So you will still see a little bit, But once they're framed and they're flat in the frames, you only see that from the back when you have a loose canvas. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe and have a great day. Bye.